The audio experience has become a crucial part of home entertainment setups, with Dolby Atmos leading the way in delivering immersive, three-dimensional soundscapes. For movie enthusiasts, gamers, and audiophiles alike, Dolby Atmos Soundbars provide an unparalleled audio experience, creating a cinema-like atmosphere in the comfort of your home. In 2025, the market offers a diverse range of Dolby Atmos soundbars packed with innovative features, powerful performance, and cutting-edge technology. In this video, we will see the 10 best Dolby Atmos soundbars in 2025 to help you make an informed choice for your next home theater upgrade. Number 1. Sonos Arc Gen 2. Sonos continues to set the benchmark for premium audio equipment, and the Sonos Arc Gen 2 solidifies its position as a leader in the soundbar market. Featuring 11 high-performance drivers, including 2 upward-firing speakers, the Arc Gen 2 delivers exceptional Dolby Atmos performance. These upward-firing drivers ensure sound travels vertically, enveloping you in a 3D audio experience that feels like the action is happening around you. What makes the Sonos Arc Gen 2 stand out is its TruePlay tuning technology, which adjusts the audio output based on your room's size and layout. Whether you're watching an action-packed blockbuster or streaming your favorite playlist, the Arc tailors the sound to provide optimal clarity and depth. Furthermore, the soundbar is compatible with Wi-Fi 7, ensuring seamless, high-speed connectivity for lag-free streaming. The sleek and minimalist design of the Arc Gen 2 blends effortlessly with any home decor, while its integration with the Sonos ecosystem allows for easy expansion into a multi-ream audio setup. If you're seeking unmatched sound quality paired with elegant aesthetics, the Sonos Arc Gen 2 is a must-have. Number 2. Samsung HWQ-99C. Samsung's HWQ-990C is a powerhouse soundbar that has taken Dolby Atmos technology to new heights. Equipped with an unprecedented 1 November 4-channel system, it offers an unparalleled surround sound experience, complete with a dedicated subwoofer and rear wireless speakers. This configuration ensures that every sound, from the subtlest whispers to booming explosions, is delivered with incredible precision and power. The HWQ-99C features Q Symphony 3, a proprietary Samsung technology that synchronizes the soundbar with compatible Samsung TVs. This integration amplifies the audio experience by combining the output of the TV speakers and the soundbar, resulting in a richer and more immersive soundstage. Additionally, SpaceFit Sound Pro automatically optimizes the audio based on the room's acoustics, making setup hassle-free. With built-in support for Amazon Alexa, controlling the HWQ-99C is as simple as issuing a voice command. Its versatile connectivity options, including HDMI, EARC, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi, ensure compatibility with a wide range of devices. The HWQ-99C is ideal for those who demand the ultimate cinematic experience at home. Number 3. LG S95QR. LG has established itself as a dominant force in the home theater market, and the LG S95QR is a testament to the company's commitment to audio excellence. This 9.1.5-channel soundbar boasts 5 upward-firing drivers, making it one of the most advanced Dolby Atmos systems available in 2025. The soundbar is designed to immerse you in sound from all angles, creating a truly three-dimensional audio environment. Its AI Sound Pro feature uses advanced algorithms to analyze content and automatically adjust the sound profile for optimal clarity and balance. Whether you're watching a movie, gaming, or listening to music, the S95QR ensures an exceptional audio experience. The LG S95QR includes a wireless subwoofer and rear speakers, making it ideal for larger rooms or dedicated home theater setups. Its support for HDMI, eARC, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi ensures seamless connectivity with modern devices. Additionally, its collaboration with Meridian Audio guarantees top-tier sound quality. Number 4. Sony HT-A7000. Sony has long been synonymous with cutting-edge technology, and the HT-A7000 continues this tradition by delivering a revolutionary audio experience. Featuring a 7.10.2.2K channel configuration, the HT-A7000 is designed to envelop you in sound. With upward-firing speakers and 360 spatial sound mapping that creates virtual speakers around the room. What sets the HT-A7000 apart is its ability to pair with Sony's SA-RS5 rear speakers and SA-SW5 subwoofer, allowing users to build a comprehensive surround sound system. This modular approach offers flexibility for users who want to expand their setup over time. The Soundbar supports high-res audio and features Sony's DSEE Extreme technology, which enhances compressed audio files to deliver higher fidelity. Its sleek and modern design, coupled with support for voice assistants like Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, makes the HT-A7000 a perfect blend of style and functionality. Number 5. Bose Smart Soundbar 900. The Bose Smart Soundbar 900 is a standout option for those who value audio clarity and smart functionality. Featuring Bose's True Space technology, the soundbar upscales non-Dolby Atmos content to create an immersive listening experience. Its phase guide technology ensures precise placement of audio elements, making every scene feel dynamic and lifelike. The Smart Soundbar 900 is compatible with popular voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing for hands-free control. Additionally, it supports AirPlay 2, making it easy to stream music from Apple devices. The soundbar's sleek design and exceptional sound quality make it a great choice for both movies and music. Number 6. JBL Bar 1000 300X. JBL's Bar 1000 300X takes versatility to a new level with its modular design. Featuring 1st November 4 channels, this soundbar includes detachable wireless surround speakers that can be placed anywhere in the room for a customized surround sound experience. The Bar 1000 300X is powered by Harman's multi-beam technology, which ensures accurate and powerful sound delivery. With an impressive 880-watt output, it provides deep bass and clear dialogue, making it perfect for action-packed movies and immersive gaming. Its support for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Chromecast makes it incredibly versatile. Number 7. Vizio Elevate 2025 Edition. The Vizio Elevate 2025 edition builds on the success of its predecessor with innovative rotating speaker technology. This 5.10.4H channel soundbar automatically adjusts its upward-firing drivers to deliver optimal Dolby Atmos and DTS:X performance, ensuring immersive audio for everyone. The system includes a wireless subwoofer and rear speakers, providing a true surround sound experience. With customizable EQ settings and adaptive sound technology, the Elevate is perfect for users who want fine control over their audio experience. Number 8. Klipsch Cinema 1200. The Klipsch Cinema 1200 is a premium Dolby Atmos soundbar that offers audiophile-grade sound quality. Featuring a 5.10.4-inch channel system, it includes a powerful 12-inch wireless subwoofer and rear speakers for an expansive soundstage. Klipsch's horn-loaded technology ensures precise sound reproduction, while support for Dolby Atmos and DTS:X creates a truly immersive experience. Its HDMI, EARC connectivity, and 8K HDR pass-through make it a future-proof choice for home theaters. Number 9. Sennheiser Ambeo Plus. The Sennheiser Ambeo Plus delivers the same exceptional Dolby Atmos performance as its larger sibling, but in a more compact design. Utilizing Ambeo 3D technology, this soundbar creates a virtual surround sound experience without the need for additional speakers. With support for high-res audio, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and AirPlay 2, the Ambeo Plus offers versatile connectivity. Its intuitive app allows users to fine-tune audio settings to suit their preferences. Number 10. Polk Audio MagniFi Max AX SR. Polk Audio's MagniFi Max AX SR offers an excellent balance of performance and affordability. Featuring a 7.10.2 channel system, it includes a wireless subwoofer and surround speakers for a true Dolby Atmos experience. Polk's SDA surround technology ensures a wide soundstage, while Voice Adjust technology enhances dialogue clarity. Its versatile connectivity options and easy setup make it a great choice for budget-conscious buyers. In 2025, Dolby Atmos soundbars have redefined home entertainment, offering immersive audio experiences that rival traditional surround sound systems. From flagship models like the Sonos Arc Gen 2 to budget-friendly options like the Polk Audio MagniFi Max AX SR, there's a Dolby Atmos soundbar for every need and budget. These soundbars not only enhance your movie-watching experience, but also bring your favorite games and music to life. Choose the one that suits your space, needs, and budget, and elevate your home entertainment to a whole new level.